Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will show you one more data type, which is the user-defined data type class. So class and object-oriented concept are the dedicated topic which we will discuss later in our course. But because we are talking about the variables and objects. So I thought that let's discuss this concept also. But this is just an example. The detailed portion will be discussed later in our course. So what I'm doing here, I'm just creating a class. Class name, I will say animal, right? And here we can define the constructor, right? In the constructor, for example, I'll say type and maybe comma. I'll say speak. Okay. So I'm passing two parameters, and this is a constructor. Again, constructor, what is constructor, what it does, that is a separate topic. But we can define the constructor, which basically initialize our class object. Now, here I'm saying the, so here bracket is to be closed. And then this dot name, this dot, I'll say type equals to type. And same way, I'll say this dot speak equals to speak, right? Now here I'm creating some, say, sound uh, or make sound, one function, right? So I'm saying make sound. This is the function, which is make sound, and function. Okay, so we define the functions like this only. We need not to specify function here. Okay, now here I'm saying this dot type. So this is variable makes noise. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to just declare the variable of this or object of this class. So what I'll do, I'll create animal class object, right? And we'll say which is uh, which is say dog. Okay. Or you can say like this dog, which is new animal and it can bark, right? So here I'm declaring one variable which is dog, and its type is dog and it can bark. And now after that, I will call its method, which is dog dot make sound. So what it will returns, it will return that dog makes noise. Okay. If you want to put the sound, you can put the same thing after that instead of noise. Okay. So I'm not doing that, but you can try that also. Now, let me go to uh, my page, and here you can see dog makes noise, right? So this way we can use the class object, right? So in next lecture, we will see one complete example of all these variables. So here I'm stopping uh, the discussion on variables or constant. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.